In this video, I'll walk you through how to manage projects effectively using Microsoft Teams. So, from creating a dedicated space for your project to organizing discussions and sharing files, this step by step guide will help you and your team stay organized and on track. So, let's begin. First, you'll open your Microsoft Teams app and we'll start by creating a community. This acts as the central hub for your project. We'll click on the communities tab and create your own. We'll select school. You can create your custom community and click on create. Now you can invite your team by adding their email over here, or you can simply copy the link and share it with them. Now, to keep the conversations focused, you can create channels for different areas of your project like research, content, and review. You'll just click on add channel and give your channel a name like review. Now, each channel has a post tab where you can communicate with your team. You can share updates, ideas, or tag someone directly to get their input. You can also upload files relevant to your project like documents, spreadsheets, or visuals. These stay within the channel so everyone has quick access. You can also hold quick meetings or check ins with your team directly within the community. It's perfect for weekly updates or progress discussions. You can click over here on the meet icon and you can create a meeting link and share it with people. Now you can also go to the calendar icon and manually write stuff or events if there are any. And that's it, a complete overview of how to manage your projects using Microsoft Teams. From organizing spaces and channels to staying in sync with files and meetings, it's a simple yet powerful way to keep your projects moving.